Have you heard of the overland tax or the viral tax? Certain vehicles, especially older models, experience significant price increases due to their growing popularity, often driven by social media presence. Sometimes, in my opinion, it's well earned, sometimes maybe not so much. While I doubt my first gen RAV4 videos have any impact on market value, the thought crossed my mind that I might unintentionally be a part of this phenomenon. In recent years, the automotive industry has exploded, with more people sharing their experiences on platforms like TikTok, YouTube, Instagram. This has led to vehicles like the Toyota 4Runner, Land Cruiser, Tacoma, and older models such as the Toyota Hilux or Land Cruiser FJ60 gaining a cult-like following. Even beyond the social media hype, these vehicles are incredible for many reasons. Reasons that naturally led to their online fame. But with that fame comes a side effect: demand. The increased demand, especially among those building overland rigs, vehicles customized for long-distance off-road travel, has caused prices to skyrocket. Vehicles that were once affordable and readily available are now incredibly sought after. Hence what people call the overland tax or the viral vehicle tax. So this refers to the inflated prices driven by online trends and the attention these vehicles receive from influencers, adventurers, and enthusiasts. Old beat-up workhorses that were once known for being cheap and rugged now are fetching premium prices, largely because of their potential as overlanding platforms or gaining a lot of attention on social media. Overland tax has been something of a running joke in some overland communities, or someone looking to buy a 4Runner or other related vehicles probably knows what I'm talking about now. Social media often has unintended consequences, driving up vehicle prices based on their visual appeal or perceived adventure readiness or ruggedness. Sometimes misleads people from their actual condition or utility. Social media has transformed some ordinary vehicles into highly coveted must-haves regardless of their actual age, condition, or practicality. So, am I guilty of contributing to this? I picked up my 1998 RAV4 as a good deal, a reliable and inexpensive daily driver, and quickly fell in love with its simplicity and capability. Naturally, with my love for photography, videography, driving, and adventure, I shared a video of one of my snow day drives. I genuinely love how social media allows us to connect and share each other's passions. But as I mentioned, it can also have side effects, like making already rare vehicles harder to find for people who are searching for them, or were passionate about them long before any social media highlights. I've wanted an old Toyota pickup for years. My dad owned several, including one during my childhood. Clean examples like his are now selling for way more than he ever got for them. Occasionally I see similar pickups pop up for sale around me, but usually they're listed for close to 20 grand. While these listings are surprisingly tempting, I haven't and don't know if I ever could justify spending almost $20,000 on an old truck like that, usually in average condition, because they've often been used as a cheap workhorse truck or someone's bush truck. This popularity can make people see these vehicles as premium, sometimes when their condition doesn't even justify it. And I've caught myself doing this many times. I've come close to pulling the trigger on one myself, and I still hope to own an old Toyota truck one day, along with other vehicles that I do feel a connection to, hopefully of which I'll also be able to share with you guys here. But as I've said before, without the proper mindset or gratitude for what you have, no vehicle will bring you lasting happiness. I'll definitely keep documenting my experiences and adventures with the vehicles that genuinely interest me. As always, thank you for watching. Comment your thoughts down below, and feel free to subscribe to stick around for more videos. I hope you guys have a great week.